Yeah, so as I was saying, all that I have right now, I'm so grateful for everything. And you know what, guys, one day when we move to a bigger mansion, a bigger space, we'll always look back at this house and remember where we started, guys. And I'll be so grateful for everything. And you know, by you subscribing, that you will help me get there, guys. You will help me get there. So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Gakubu Ruth, and I'm back again with a very interesting video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a few additions that I've added to my space, and also giving you plugs, because I noticed people were asking where I got stuff from. So I'm going to be giving you plugs of everything that I have in this house and how much, if I can still remember how much I got it at. So if you're considering moving out, or if you're looking for something that I have in this house, you know where to get it from. So kindly hit the subscribe button and let's get straight to the video. And the reason why I'm doing this video, guys, is because I know one day, because this is not where I started, I know one day I'll be living in a mansion and I'll look back on this house and I'll be grateful to God for the far that he'll have taken me. So guys, you know what? Let's get straight to the video. So I'm going to be showing you like a 360-degree view of the whole space, and then I'll go giving details of each and everything that we have here. So yeah, that's it. That's the 360-degree view of everything around here. So guys, let's get straight to the video, and remember to hit that subscribe button. Subscribe guys. We're already 400 of us. Thank you so much, guys. I don't take it for granted. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you guys. Thank you. So guys, walking into my space, the first thing that you come through is this door, my front door over here. And at my front door, I have these curtains that I got from Isili. I got 4.5 meters for this door, and the other door, and my window over there, you'll be seeing it. And they went for, I think, about was it 5,000 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, so that's it. So, and then there's this wallpaper. This wallpaper, I have it here, and on this other wall that we have over here, my mirror is dirty. I need to wash it. I need to wipe it. So yeah, so there's this wallpaper. I got it from Kamukunji at 1,000 parole, I guess. Yeah, but I know they are sold on IG. But if you can you can go to Kamukunji. I know you can get them at a cheaper price, because on IG I see they are a little bit pricier. So, and then this mirror came with the house. I found it here, and I loved it. So I didn't see the need to get rid of it. So there's that. And then here we have my plastic seats. These plastic seats, these are what my friends sit on once they walk in and they want to spend time in my house. And then there's that office chair. That's where I talk to you from, guys. Yeah, that's that. And then there's this carpet down below, our carpet down below. So I got this from the market, a thrift shop. Yeah, it was a thrift shop. Can't remember exactly at how much, but I remember it was quite affordable. So yeah, there's that. And then the ring light that I'm using right now. And then just by my door, because this is the door, this is what you see next. This is my clothes stand, or if you like, my wardrobe, if you want to call it that. But I like calling it a clothes stand because it's more of a stand than a wardrobe, you know. So basically, this is what I have on it. My clothes. Nothing much to explain. I got the fundis out here, the carpenter actually. If you can get a carpenter to custom make what you need, you can do that, because in most of these houses, our rental houses, we don't need permanent structures because we'll keep moving. You just need something simple to serve you for the time being. But unless you're planning to stay in a space for longer than an year or two, maybe you can now consider getting a better structure. But I felt like I just needed something simple for until when I move to a bigger house, because I believe when I move to a bigger house I might not need this, so I'll have to maybe give out these or sell it to someone who will need it then. And then also we have this. I love towels. As you can see, I have 3 towels there. There's a 4th one down below, and the one that I'm currently using here is the pink, guys. Why take a shower and then use a dirty towel to wipe yourself? So if you use a towel for 3-4 days, you need to get a new one, like a clean one that is not really a new one, so that at the end of the day, you know what, guys, you clean. So yeah, that's my theory of having so many towels. And anyway, even if visitors come, we don't have to use the same towel. So, and then there are my scarves, my night dress over there, and my tops, dresses, more what are they called, more hoodies. If you know me, you know I love my hoodies. And then below here, that's where I place the shoes when I'm coming out, because I'm like, I don't like leaving my shoes outside, and I don't like the disorganization that can happen because of shoes. So I had to leave a space. Excuse me, guys. I had to leave some space for where I'll be placing my shoes from outside before they are cleaned and washed. So moving on is this table. From my previous video, I said I got this table table from my sister. She gifted it to me once I moved out. And then we have this plant over here. I love flowers and plants, but I can't keep a plant alive, so, and I don't want to be a murderer, so I get fake plants and beautiful ones at that. This is my Vaseline, this is my power bank. You know why you need a power bank, guys? That's my socket, and not really socket, what is it called, extension. This is what I use for my jug. I've been using it right now. I just forgot to remove it from there. So, and then here is my bed, guys. It's 3.5 by 6 foot, I guess. I think that's how they're measured, by foot. So yeah, that's how my bed is looking. My bed, I got it from the local fundis, I think at 5,000 too. And then the pillows and pillowcases, I got them from, what's this place called? I got them from a thrift shop in Githurai. Yes, in Githurai. The pillows, the pillowcases, the mattress, what is it called? The sheets, and also the drawers. I don't know what you call these. I call them drawers. The pink one is a little bit smaller, but who cares, so long as it covers me. This is a Masai shuka that I use to cover this, because this is white and this place is gets quite dusty. So I don't need to have all that mess going on. So yeah, that's it. That's my bed. That's how it looks. I have that pillow over there because, one, I wanted many pillows, but then I realized my space is small. So if you have a lot of pillows, it makes the space look clumsy. So finally, here is the thing that I've been dying to show you guys. This is what I've been doing with this wall. I felt it was too empty, and so I got the fluorescent wall stickers, and then I got this sticker at the center. This is paper, as you can see, because it's also reflecting light. This is paper, but the rest of them, they glow in the dark. So yeah, I love that, and it looks so nice. That's so me. Anyone who knows me in person knows that I love flowers, and I am a very girly girl. So if they want to walk into my house right now, they would be so not surprised. So guys, yeah. And then finally, we have that corner over there, and this around that corner, that's my shopping, the things that I use on a daily basis. Below there is the rest of the things that are in excess. Here we have my shoe rack with shoes that I wear. Then here I have some pieces of stuff that I have placed there because they need to be put in the rightful place, but for now, let them just sit there. There goes my laundry basket, and here is my towel that I'm currently using. As I told you guys, it's raining outside, so I can't have it out there. And here is my mirror that I look at when I'm dressing. Yeah, and as you can see, I use my phone to film. This is a Samsung phone. I feel like Samsung phones have okay, they're quite pricey, but they have a good camera. That's a stool over there. And then for someone who might be wondering, I use this PVC because this place is quite cold, and the tiles don't do any better to make the room warm. So you really need, I had to put on this PVC to ensure that I'm always warm. So let's go to my kitchen area. My kitchen area, here we have some utensils on a utensil rack. So after I've washed them, I let them dry by the sink. That's a dirty dish that needs to be washed. This is the towel that I used to wipe here, so should be outside. So let's just have it here, guys. So yeah, like that. So yeah, and on my window, that's where I have my steel wool soap and scrub, what are they called, scoring pads, more flowers, washing soap, hand washing soap, that is. And then some of my utensils. This is a flask, this is a food dish, that because I love carrying food to work. Here is some other utensils going on there, and then there are my groceries. I love my tea bags and coffee, and then lots of things happening over there. Don't have to explain all that, as you can see. Cooking oil, and then here's my dispenser. This is leftover food that needs to be warmed so that it doesn't go bad. And then here are my serviettes. I happened to buy the twin pack of serviettes, and doing that made it impossible, because I live alone, made it impossible for me to have the serviettes all out. So I take a few pieces that I'll need maybe for the week and have them in my so-called serviette holder. These are chapatis that I had made. That's my kitchen table that I have over there. I have it covered with this, whatever this is called, but I found it looking nice. So the reason why I have it covered is this. When you walk into my house, this is a bed sitter, or if you like a studio apartment, you get to see everything that I have. And I hate when people have to see this mess down here. Not really a mess, just that let me get these lights to be facing the right direction. So you see there's this kind of mess going on here, my groceries, my vegetables and all that. So I don't like people seeing all that. Maybe they are not as many as I would love them to be. And anyway, it's a whole lot of a mess, so I cover it up. You see, once it's covered, who would know? No one. So unless I tell you that I have groceries down below, you would never know. So, and then a utensil rack, a jug, there's a dispenser down, not dispenser, what is it called? There's a blender, And then tell me your Kikuyu without telling me your Kikuyu. Yeah, my mama sent me a sack of potatoes. There it is, guys. So basically that's my house. As we go, there's a balcony. I'm not going to be showing you that. It's raining outside, so I'm not going to be walking out to the rain. And then here is my bathroom, guys. Let me see whether this gets any better. I don't know. So anyway, you're going to view it that way. So this is my bathroom. That's a basin that I use for washing clothes. Not really clothes, washing my innerwears and my whatever else that I need to wash in the bathroom when I'm taking a shower. And then a lot going on there. So my bathroom and toilet are together. So it's not as big, but it serves the purpose. And I live alone, so why not? And then there goes my other necessities that I use on a daily basis, guys. What do you think? What do you think? Because I love my space. Like, I'm so proud of myself. All that I'm able to have right now, I'm so grateful. On top there, because I know some people will ask, I have my laptop bag, my travel bag, which is my most expensive bag that I ever bought. And then there are my sling bags and more flowers. One more flower over there. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, let me know. Anyone who might be wondering, I got my utensils from Kamukunji. Yes, Kamukunji. And they were quite at an affordable price. I won't say cheap, they were affordable. Yeah, and then there's this router for my internet. And then there's that's me, that portrait over there. So basically that's it. And until next time, guys, peace. Take care of yourselves.